Good morning, my dear students. Today is our maths class. Previous class we discussed about multiplication of fraction and of operator. Okay. Previous class we discussed. Today we can discuss about multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. Multiply 1.8 into 1.2. Today we discuss multiplication of decimals. Question is 1.8 into 1.2. First we multiply 18 into, first we avoid decimals. 18 into 12. Then multiply 8 into 2, 16, 6 and 1 is carry over. 1 is carry over. Then 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Then we put 0. Then 1 into 8, 8. And 1 into 1, 1. Then we add 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 3, 11. 1. And 1 is carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. The result is 250. But in the case of decimals, there are two places of decimals. 1, 2. There are two places of decimals. Then we move 2 places from the right side to left. Right side to left. There are 2 points of 2 decimals. We move to the left. There are 2 decimal point. 1, 2. The answer is 2.16. Clear? Okay. Then we discuss another question. Question is 2.3 into 4.35. First we write greatest number 435 into 23. Then multiply 5 into 3, 15. First we write 5. And 1 is carry over. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. We write 0 and 1 is carry over. Then 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Then another one. 5 into 2, 10. We write 0 and 1 is carry over. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 4 into 2, 8. 8. Then add 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 7, 10. We write 0 and 1 is carry over. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. This is the result. Clear? In the case of multiplication of 2 decimals or 3 decimals. But in case how many places of decimals? 1, 2. Then another one is 1. This decimal is 2 and this place of decimal is 1. Total 2 plus 1, 3. We move right to left. 3 places of decimal. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 10.005. Clear? 10.005. Clear? Okay. Then another we discuss about decimal number in expanded form. Decimal number in expanded form. Decimal number in expanded form. Very important types of questions in this chapter. Okay, the first question is 20.03. Question is 20.03. Okay. In this type of expanded form of decimal, this place is ones place, this place is tens place. The point, this one is point. 0 is in the form of ones place or unit place. 2 is in the forms of ten place. Then after the decimal, it is in the form of 1 by 10, 1 by 100, or another number 1 by 1000. Okay, then we write the expanded form ones, tens. If it is in the form of 0 is in the form of ones place and 2 is in the form of 10 place. Expanded form means 2 into 10. It is in the forms of 10 place. 2 into 10 plus 0 into 0 is in the form of ones place, that is 0 into 1 plus then decimal 0. It is in the form of 0 into 1 by 10. 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into, this one is 1 by 10, this one is 1 by 100, another number, it is the form of 1 by 1000. 3 into 1 by 100. Clear? 3 into 1 by 100. This is the expanded form of 20.03. Clear? Okay. Then another one is 2.03. Question is in the form of decimal numbering expanded form. Same as above. Okay. This 2 is in the form of ones place, that is 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus, and number is 0. 0 into the point, this number is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. 0 into 1 by 10, 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Okay. This is the expanded form. Clear? Okay. Then another one is place value. another topic is place value of decimal. Place value. Place value. Place value. We find the place values of the number. Place value. Question is 2.56. Question is in the form of find the place value of 2. Find the place value of 2. That means 2 into place value of 2. Question is in the form of place value of 2. 2 is in the form of ones. That means 2 into 1. That is 2. Place value of 2 is 2. Clear? Okay. Another one is 21.37. Question is place value of 2. Place value of 2. We know 1 is in the position of 1's place and 2 is in the place value of 10th place. That means 2 into, this is 1's, this is 10. That means 2 into 10. Answer is 2 into 10. Yes. 20. 2 into 10. 20. Clear? Okay. Then another important one is 10.25. 10.25. We find the place value of 2. Place value of 2. We know this number. That means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, like that. 2 means 2 into 2 is in the form of 1 by 10. We find the place value of 2. 2 is in the form of 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 10. That means 2 into 1, 2. 2 by 10. 2 by 10. Then we convert into the lowest form. That means 2 and 10. That means we divided by 2. We converted into the lowest. 2 divided by 2, 1 by 10 divided 2, 5. That is 5. The result is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Clear? Important types of question. Clear? Okay. Then another one is division of decimal number by whole number. Division of decimal number by whole number. Whole number. Okay. Division of decimal number by whole number. Question is 6.4 divided 2. Question is 6.4 is decimal number divided by whole number. Okay. Then we divide 64 divided 2. We first avoid the decimal. 64 divided by 2. We know 6 divided by 2 is 3. That means 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. And we write 4 below. 4. And in case of 4, 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Result is 4 minus 4, 0. 32. But in case of it is decimal, 6.4. We get the result is 32. But question is in the form of 6.4. Then we move 1 point to the left. That means only 1 point. We move only 1 point. That is, result is 3.2. Result is 3.2. Okay. Result is 3.2. Clear? Okay. Then another question is 0.35 divided 0.35 divided 5. 0.35 divided 5. We avoid the decimal. 35 divided 5. 35 divided by 5. What is the result? 7 into 5 is 30. Result is 7. Result is 7. But in the case of decimal, it is 0.35. But this one is only one place 7. But in this case of question, this is 2 places of decimal. First we move 2 places. This one is only 1 place. Another one is no number. We put 0. We put 0. And we put a point. That is called 1, 2. There are 2 places. Then we put point. That is result is point 0.07 or 0.07. Both are correct. Clear? Okay. Then another one is division of decimal number by another number. Division of decimal number by another number. Question is 3.96 divided 0.4. This is the question. Or 3.96 divided 0.4. Both are same. In this type of question, first we notice the denominator. Denominator is one place of decimal. This one is, we notice the denominator. One place of decimal. Then we multiply by 10. We multiply 10 on both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator. This is one place of decimal. We multiply by 10. Otherwise, there are two places of decimal. You multiply by 100. Okay. In case of multiply by 10, 3.96 into 10. That means this point is moved to the right side. 3.96 into 10 means in the case of 10, 100 or 1000, the point move to the right. That means one point move to the right side of the number. 3.96 into 10 means this point is changes into other side. That means 39.6 divided 0.4 into 10. 0.4 into 10. 4 into 10, 40. Only one place of decimal. 4 into 10 is 40. And only one place of decimal, that is 4.0. The 0.4 into 10 means 4. Okay, then you divide 39.6 divided 4. 39.6 divided 4. 39.6 divided 4. Okay. Then first we take 39. How many times? 9 into 4 is 36. Then minus 9 minus 6, 3. Then we put 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 36 divided 4. How many times? 9. That means 9 into 4 is 36. 9 into 4 is 36. Then 0. But it is in the form of decimal. 39.6. Only one place of decimal. Answer is 99. But in case of this decimal, the answer is 9.9 because it is only one place of decimal. That is 9.9. 9.9. Clear? Okay. Then another question. Question is 2.31 divided 0.3. 2.31 divided 0.3. First we divide 2.31 by 0.3. Okay. We know the denominator. Denominator is in the form of one place of decimal. One place of decimal. We first notice the denominator, only one place of decimal. We multiply by one place of decimal. We multiply by 10. We multiply by 10. Both numbers are multiplied by 10. It is simple. In the case of multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000, one place, the decimal is one place move to the right side. That means 2.31 into 10 means point move to the this side, that is 23.1, or you multiply, no problem. Okay, then 23.1 divided 0.3 into 10. 3 into 10 is 30. 3 into 10, 30. But this is one decimal. That is 30 can be changed into 3.0. 3.0 means 3. 3.0 means 3. Then we divided 23.1 divided 3. First you avoid a decimal. Then the same as division. Then 20, this one is 23 and this one is 3. How many times? 7 into 3 is 21. That is 7 into 3 is 21. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And put 1 below. How many times? 3 in 21? 7 times. That is 7 into 3 is 21. Result is 0. But in this case of only one place of decimal. Answer is 77. But in the case of decimal, there is only one place. Only one place. We move to the left side. That means answer is 7.7. 7.7. Clear? Clear? Okay. Then in this class we discuss about multiplication of decimals and decimal number in the expanded form, place value, division of number by whole number, division of number by another number. Clear? Then you write some questions in your notebook. Okay, you write some questions in your notebook. Clear? Multiply 4.5 into 9.3, 3.2 into 5.6, 9.5 into 3.9. It is multiplication. And another one is division. 9.4 divided 2 and 0.45 divided 9, and another one is 3.96 divided 0.5. This type of questions you write in your notebook. Clear? Okay. Then see you. Thank you for listening.